How to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. So if you want to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your settings. Under settings, you can scroll down and go with the apps section. Under apps, now you need to go with see all apps and go with the search, which is on the upper right, and search for Telegram. Once you've searched, tap on it and go with permissions. Under permissions, now if you've turned on the location option, then you just need to simply tap on location and then tap on allow all the time, and now your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and again go back and tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache, and now you can restart your Telegram, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go with uninstall Telegram application and again go with install from the Play Store or your App Store. And even after doing that it doesn't fix your problem, then last thing you need to do is you need to search for Telegram on your App Store or your Play Store. And if you have any updates under your Telegram, you can simply go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.